Unveiling the art of flower arrangement, a blossoming skill. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful and creative topic that's close to nature and art: flower arrangement. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about this fascinating subject, you're in the right place. Let's explore together what flower arrangement is, its significance, and why it's much more than just putting flowers in a vase. Flower arrangement is the art of organizing flowers and other plant elements into a pleasing design. This practice combines various colors, shapes, and textures to create visually appealing compositions. It's not just about aesthetics. It's a form of expression and creativity that has been appreciated in many cultures around the world for centuries. Flower arrangement can be used for decoration, ceremonies, or simply to brighten someone's day. Flower arrangements carry deep meanings and are often used to convey messages without words. Different flowers and their colors can symbolize various emotions and sentiments. For example, red roses are associated with love and passion, while white lilies often represent purity and peace. Through thoughtful selection and arrangement, flowers can communicate joy, sympathy, congratulations, and more. There are several styles and types of flower arrangements, each with its unique charm and purpose. Here are a few: bouquets, handheld arrangements popular for weddings and as gifts. Centerpieces, designed to be the focal point of a table setting. Wreaths, circular arrangements that symbolize eternal life, commonly used in funerals and festive decorations. Ikebana, the Japanese art of flower arrangement, which focuses on harmony, balance, and simplicity. Understanding these types can enhance your appreciation for the art and help you choose the right arrangement for any occasion. Creating your own flower arrangement can be a rewarding experience. Here are a few tips to get started. Choose a variety of flowers and foliage for different textures and colors. Consider the size and shape of your vase or container. Trim the stems at an angle for better water absorption. Start with greenery as the base, then add larger flowers, and finish with smaller, delicate blooms for accents. Experiment and have fun. There's no wrong way to create something beautiful. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding and appreciation for the art of flower arrangement. It's a skill that blends creativity with nature, offering endless possibilities for personal expression and beauty. Whether you're planning to try your hand at creating your own arrangements or simply admiring the skill in others, remember that the world of flower arrangement is as rich and diverse as the flowers themselves. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging content. See you in the next video.